Hey guys, I'm definitely pretty scruffy looking and I'm wearing my dirty clothes because I've been out here working. It's a beautiful day here in Ithaca, New York. I couldn't be happier. I think I got up to 63-ish degrees, which is just awesome. So I pulled the T-Rex version 2 out to get a little sunlight, and I figured I'd just make a quick video, walk around it with you guys, and show you all the stuff that I have going on. It's mostly done except for the front on the inside, which you'll see, the little Caleb shelf that I call it. And then of course I got to wrap it with fiberglass, and that's hopefully going to happen next week. And other than that, I'm just waiting on the controllers from my buddy who's making the controllers for me, and she's pretty much done, which is pretty amazing. So I'll flip the camera around and walk around it and show you. So if you've watched my other videos, you know that aerodynamics was a big thing. It was really important to me. I really wanted to make sure it was as aerodynamic as possible for a box going down the road. And I made it so it fit in the shadow of the Rav4. So this curve here is the same as this curve here. And then the top of it actually gets tapered down to a point where it seems like the wind is just going to skirt right over it. I might have to build some kind of bulbous thing right here. I've seen them on other trailers and stuff, just to push any air around it a little bit more. But so that's what I have for aerodynamics. And up here I have all the plugs, all my buttons, and then back here I have my Chatamo plug and AC in and DC in or out. Kitchen is pretty much all done. Lights work, switches all work. It works on AC from the converter, the inverter in here, or it works on wall AC. So if I'm at a campground, I can just, yeah. So my driveway is at an angle, so this will just keep sliding in. But there is my fridge. That slide back in. I just bought a fire extinguisher, haven't mounted it anywhere yet. And this is a pretty cool adapter that I got for my MacBook. So it has a plug for that. Be aware if you ever buy one of these though, just being plugged in, it sucks about a ½ amp. I was surprised. I was looking at my usage. I'm like, where's that coming from? What is being used right now? And I unplugged that and everything was fine. So yeah, still needs to get fiberglassed. That's the one big thing left. You can kind of see my Caleb shelf. That's for my son Caleb. I don't know if he'll be sleeping on it, but that was always the plan. And if I lift that up, inside there is a lot of electronics. But one of the coolest things I have to show you guys is I have my tablet sitting right there. It's a Verizon tablet with a hotspot, and I have that connected to the TV. So right now I'm actually playing some Now You Know from one of his latest videos on YouTube. Check them out if you haven't already. And I just picked up an Apple TV, so I got that all installed. It's pretty cool. It's all working. The Apple TV is actually behind the TV up in there. It's Apple TV version 4 or generation 4, and I have that connected to the hotspot on the just the iPad mini. And I'm streaming YouTube right now. So that was my plan for road trips and stuff. A lot of people get those little hot spots or hot points, whatever they're called. But I don't really know why you need a separate device. Just get a Verizon tablet or phone and use it as a hotspot. And the other plan with the Apple TV, I have one inside my house. And you can use it for basic home security as well, which is going to be great for the camper here. And what I plan here is they make little magnetic switches, basically, that's going to go on the inside of the door, on both doors. So when one of the doors is open, I'm going to get a notification on my phone saying that one of the doors just opened. There's also motion sensors available, cameras available, and because as long as I leave the tablet in there, it's always going to be sending signal to my phone. So that was my plan for just being really connected and analyzing the car, watching the car or the trailer, just to see if something bad is happening. But yeah, so there it is. There's my little walk around of my camper. Beautiful day, and I'm just really happy to be out here showing it off. But hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.